This is a very nice Elkay stainless steel lusterstone bowl. It's very classic style. As you can see right here, it's pretty smooth. And if you want to hear a sound test of me knocking it. And this has been here for years. You know, you can see there's some marring right here. So this has some years of wear, but other than that, it's Undermount. So you can see right here, this is on the top, and you go underneath. You can see how it's mounted underneath right here, all the lines. It's a very easy to clean bowl because it's so deep. You can actually plunge it up, scrape the walls out with your dishes or whatever. You can use it as a laundry sink. In this case, it's using it as a hand wash sink, but it's very versatile. Do a water test. You can see the incline makes all the water go down really smoothly. It's a very solid sink, and again, easy maintenance, easy cleaning. It's a very timeless look. I like it a lot. Just keep in mind of the marring over time with the use.